Here I have Motorola Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to accomplish bypassing Google verification on this device. So let me show you how to remove FRP, how to activate this device without the Google account. So at the very beginning, let's go to the first screen right here. Alright, let's choose here the vision settings, choose talkback, and let's enable talkback. Tap OK to confirm it, that's what we need.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback. Talkback tutorial.
Let's write L on the screen, just simply write L.
Alert global
Choose
contents
talkback
menu.
settings,
Talkback settings.
double tap to
Double
confirm
tap
it.
to activate. Talkback tutorial.
Alright.
Talkback settings. Talkback settings.
Now let's hold down
Version
together
6.2.0.199837370.
volume up and volume down, so let's keep holding those two keys. Volume up and volume down. Let me do it again, keep holding both keys.
Accessibility shortcut.
Choose
Use
turn off
accessibility
shortcut.
Turn off shortcut button.
Sorry, you have to choose
Double tap
use
to
shortcut,
use
of course.
shortcut button.
Double tap to confirm it.
Talkback settings.
Let's use
Version
volume down and volume up one more time.
6.2.199837370. Talkback on.
And now talkback is disabled, so that's what we need. Let's scroll down, choose help and feedback. Tap get started with voice access. Here let's play this video and let's find the clock right here. Let's tap clock. Choose more key.
Voice.
Tap not now. That's what we need. We need to open this YouTube. And now let's close the following video. Use the following accounts right here in that corner. Tap settings. Choose here about. Select Google privacy policy. Tap accept and continue and choose no thanks. Now we can use the Chrome, that's what we need. Let's enter the following website, HardReset.Info. Alright. So let me open this website, HardReset.Info. Let's use here the following menu. Choose download. And here let's enter Android 8. Tap search. That's what we need. We need to download this app, Google Account Protection Bypassing Android 8. Let me tap it. Here let's scroll down and choose download. Tap continue. Tap allow. Choose OK. Tap open. Choose settings and let's allow from this source. Let's go back and tap install. Alright, now you can tap open. So now let's choose Google Account Manager API key right here for version 6.0. Tap settings and let's allow from this source. Let's go back, tap install. Tap done. Now let's tap bypass FRP, tap browser sign in, choose more key, tap browser sign in, tap OK, and you need to sign in into some Google account. It would be any Google account, even a new one created just now, not Google account connected to this device, just the Google account that you know the email and password. So let me do it. Let me enter some Google account. Tap next. Now it's time to enter the password. So if you are ready, let's tap sign in. Alright, and now all you need to do is just press the power key, tap restart, and let's wait a few seconds. Right, the welcome panel pops up, so let's go quickly through this initializing setup process. Tap setup as a new, the phone is checking for updates, tap accept and continue. Tap next. As you can see, account added, so the account that you added previously is added to your device. That's what we need. Tap skip here, skip anyway. Tap more and accept. Let me just go with default settings. Here let me tap no thanks and choose all set. Device adding some finishing touches. So now let's scroll down and let's tap next, and now all you need to do is just accomplish the hard reset by using the settings to fully erase the FRP protection. So let's find and select the settings, scroll down, tap system, choose reset and select factory data reset. Here you've got your account, tap reset phone and tap erase everything. That's it. Now let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, the welcome panel pops up, so now let's go quickly through this initializing setup process to check out if the device can be activated without the Google account. Tap skip to Wi-Fi, let's tap accept and continue. Let me also go with default settings just to check out if I can activate the device. Let me skip everything, tap more and accept, tap next. That's it, you just activate your device without the Google account, so it means that you just remove the FRP, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.